If you're broke, jobless, or just tired of applying to 100 places with zero replies, stick around. I'm about to show you 7 online jobs that don't need a degree, don't need experience, and actually pay you every single week. No fake, make $5,000 a day nonsense. Just real beginner-friendly gigs you can start this week. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer. None of these are get-rich-quick. They're real jobs. Some through apps, some freelance, that pay weekly instead of making you wait 30 days like a traditional job. If you've got a phone, a laptop, and a couple hours a day, you qualify. Let's start with number 7. Job number 7, user testing/website. Testers companies pay everyday people to test their websites and apps and record their honest reactions. You just talk out loud while clicking around a site. That's it. Platforms like User Testing and Userlytics pay per completed test, usually $4 to $10 for a 10 to 20-minute test, and payouts often go out weekly via PayPal. No experience, no camera required, just your voice and your opinion. Job number 6, data entry/microtask work sites, like Amazon Mechanical Turk and ClickWorker post small tasks. Sorting data, transcribing short clips, categorizing images. Each task pays cents to a few dollars, but they add up fast if you're consistent. Most of these platforms let you cash out weekly once you hit a small minimum. It's not glamorous, but it's genuinely beginner-proof. Job number 5, virtual assistant entry-level. Small business owners and coaches are drowning in email, scheduling, and social media, and they'll pay someone to handle it. You don't need certifications, you need to be organized and responsive. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr, or even Facebook groups for VA jobs, are full of beginner listings. Many clients pay weekly through direct invoicing, especially for ongoing part-time help. Job number 4, customer service chat support. Companies hire remote chat agents to answer customer questions, no phone calls required for a lot of these roles. Sites like Working Solutions and Support.com hire people with zero call center background. Pay is often per hour or per ticket, and several of these companies run weekly payroll. If you can type fast and stay patient, this one's a great fit. Job number 3, freelance writing for beginners. You don't need a journalism degree to get paid to write. Businesses need blog posts, product descriptions, and social captions constantly. Start on Fiverr or Contently, or pitch small local businesses directly. Many freelance platforms release payments weekly once a client approves your work. Your first gigs might pay $10 to $20 per piece, but that adds up fast once you build a portfolio. Job number 2, selling print-on-demand or digital products platforms like Etsy, combined with print-on-demand tools, let you sell designs, t-shirts, mugs, planners, without ever touching inventory. You design once, it sells forever. Etsy pays out on a rolling weekly deposit schedule once your shop is verified. It takes a little setup time, but zero experience is required to start, just some creativity and consistency. Job number 1, gig delivery and rideshare apps. If you want cash literally within days, apps like DoorDash, Instacart, and Amazon Flex are still some of the fastest ways to start earning with no experience and no resume. Most offer weekly direct deposit, and some even offer instant cash out for a small fee. It's flexible. Work an hour or 8, your choice. It's the easiest entry point on this entire list. So that's 7 online jobs you can start with zero experience and actually get paid weekly, not monthly. If you want me to do a full step-by-step video on how to sign up and get approved for any of these, drop a comment telling me which one you want first. And if this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.